Hello, welcome to the Rockstar Podcast. I'm your host Aditya.
Today, I'm going to share some important and useful facts about Aadhaar. Let's not wait anymore. Let's get right into it. First of all, Aadhaar is not a citizenship document. There were some reports that UIDAI, the authority, issuing notices of inquiry to some of the residents for obtaining Aadhaar on a false pretense on the complaints from the state police which suspect them of being illegal immigrants. The authority clarified that these reports are not presented in the correct perspective and Aadhaar has nothing to do with the citizenship issue, and also mentioned that Aadhaar is not a document of citizenship. Next, biometrics lock. If you are worried about your biometrics being misused with all the data breach news we get informed of, you can use Aadhaar's biometric lock option. You can lock your biometrics from being used for authentication. You can unlock biometrics whenever you want and lock them again immediately. This can be done swiftly via mobile applications on iOS and Android platforms. Authentication messages and updates. If your authentication is used for any KYC purpose or any eKYC purpose, you will receive a text message immediately confirming the authentication and a mail with additional details such as deployment device, date and time, whether the authentication is successful or not, will be sent to the individual. If you have not used the authentication, you can immediately register a complaint by calling the number 1947 or the help mail ID which is given in the description. The next is authentication history. Aadhaar has recently introduced authentication history. It's similar to something like Google's My Activity, but at an infant stage. It being available recently, the authentication data are only available from March 21 to current period, and getting proper, meaningful and understandable data from these histories is not easy since it's being at an infant stage. Next thing is physical copy and e-Aadhaar. After a lot of confusion and rejection during the initial stages, confusion regarding the acceptance of e-Aadhaar as a proof of identity equivalent to the physical Aadhaar card has been confirmed as valid. You can find details of the press release in the episode description. The multi-purpose nature of Aadhaar. Aadhaar can be used for these purposes. It can be used as a proof of identity and a proof of address. Aadhaar is mandatory for applying a new PAN card. Aadhaar is mandatory for filing IT returns. It is necessary for availing services like Provident Fund, LPG subsidy, and availing public distribution services like ration, etc. Aadhaar is mandatory for passport application and renewal. After listening to all this, you might wonder, is it possible for one to live without Aadhaar? Impossible, right? Actually, we can. Aadhaar is not mandatory. It is voluntary. We can use other IDs for availing government services. Yes, Aadhaar is mandatory for some services, but not everything. But don't forget, Aadhaar makes our lives very easy because it has become a major proof of identity and address with 90% of our population having Aadhaar cards. If you don't have Aadhaar card, it is tough and sometimes impossible to avail certain government services. And to end, I would like to say only one line. It helps in many ways. At the same time, Aadhaar is growing, same as the data privacy concern over the data misuse of Aadhaar. I suggest you to go to the Aadhaar platform to get more information. Thank you for listening to the Rockstar Podcast. We are available on all major platforms. Please subscribe and follow, and please share.